Hello, welcome back to the Real World Garage. We're here today with my buddy Richard's 1999 Toyota Pre-Runner. We were over here the other day. We were just visiting and looking around under the hood, and I happened to notice his air intake pipe was beginning to crack. So I made the suggestion that he should probably get that fixed because he's owned this truck since it was new and keeps it in tip-top shape. And in order that you keep dirt out of your engine and keep the engine running properly, you need to see to it that your intake pipe is installed properly and is in good shape. So y'all come along, we're going to get into it. It's a pretty straightforward job. We just got a few basic tools. I brought my electric ratchet, try to make things a little easier. A little spray lube, put around the clamps and hoses. So everything will try to come loose fairly easily. Alright, first thing we need to do is isolate this harness and go ahead and get it off of the old pipe. The mass airflow sensor. I don't know if I have any zip ties with me. I told him I was going to fix that one, but don't know that I'll have the stuff to do it. See how that comes up out of there. Oh, there it is. Alright. Alright, mass airflow is undone. A 10mm. Alright, let's see. That pipe is hard as a carpet. I'm telling you.
I'm kidding you. I'd have never. That's probably the last thing I would have ever looked at.
Well, if you don't know, you don't know, and that's why I tried.
I thought that it was almost, that was the correct way it should be.
Yep, come right out.
That's
See, that's
and that would have
that's the piece. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, now let's try to ease this up a little bit, and we'll try to spray a little lubricant under it, help it come off. Oh yeah, look how trying to raise it up is breaking, it's disintegrating.
Oh, the hose?
Yeah, trying to raise it up to get it off. Alright, let's see if there's anything else hooked to it. We need to disconnect. I don't think so. I think we can just try to wiggle it. There, that broke free. Alright, it's loose there. There we go. Ta-da! So the clamp. So the clamp. Come on. There it goes. That little resonator box off there, so you clamp. Pop that out. There we go, naked pipe. You got the new pipe there, Richard?
Yes.
Rip it up. Glad that will be down in there. Get the ratchet going the other direction. It's clocked about the same. There's no interference or anything. Looks about right. Now, if you look right there, there's a little mark on the hose or pipe, and on this box there's a little mark to help you align it so that you get it going in the right direction. Get a little support on there. There we go. There's also alignment knots there and an alignment notch there, so that you can get it lined up on the throttle body correctly. Falling off a log ain't nothing to it. Put them on, tighten them up. Got your hoses back up. Got your electrical. Keep them out of the way. Plug it up, and you're done. That's it. Rich is over here sitting over here going, "You're kidding me, right?" Not kidding. That's it. Get your keys. We can crank it up.
I did that. I threw it up.
Runs good.
completely different.
All right, you can shut it off. I'm gonna see if I have a zip tie. I'll fix that.
Oh, okay.
If I have one.
Now, I have two. I have two.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna fix this zip tie right here. This well, it's a cable clamp, and after several years of use and abuse, it dried out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix it back with a regular zip tie so that it will secure the line in place. I think it still has a little piece in it I need to try to get out. No, we're going to drop it.
Better than I was. I'd be out here all day looking for that.
I got lucky. I got lucky and saw where it fell. Let's see if we can get that to go.
Now I got a little screwdriver.
Never mind. There we go. I got it. Now, go ahead and pull it through there. That's why I like to keep the factory pieces if I can. Sometimes you can fix them with zip up more. Because all that was a zip tie attached to that clamp. I get grease on these windows and kill me.
Oh, that's her. That's mine. Oh.
There you go. Now it's back. It's like factory.
Great. It's wonderful.
All right, we got the pipe changed out. We were playing with it off of the vehicle after we got it off, and that's what we ended up with, two pieces. This piece was just before causing him a problem. So when you're out there and you're looking under the hood, take a look at your intake pipe. Could save you some trouble, especially when you're running these older vehicles. These older Toyotas will run forever, but you got to keep up with the maintenance. I thank all my subscribers, and get you to keep coming back. We got plenty more videos coming, and get you to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way you get notified when I put up a new video. As a matter of fact, speaking of videos, watch one coming on the screen now.